Want to build a full YouTuber using zero cameras, no actors, and only AI? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create your own AI-powered YouTube host, complete with a face, voice, and personality using just a few powerful tools. ChatGPT for writing prompts, Leonardo AI to design your YouTuber's look, ElevenLabs to generate a human-like voice, TopView AI to make it talk on camera. Let's jump straight in and build your AI YouTuber right now. Before we can design your AI YouTuber visually, we need a precise and creative prompt. This is where ChatGPT shines. Open ChatGPT and give it a clear goal like this. Create a detailed prompt for a cinematic, ultra-realistic male YouTuber. He should look confident, tech-savvy, and friendly. Medium skin tone, short dark hair with a fade, clean beard, wearing a hoodie and sitting in a modern YouTube studio. Include cinematic lighting, 16:9 aspect ratio, and photorealistic details. Let ChatGPT work its magic. In seconds, it will break that down into a well-structured and optimized prompt. You can refine this prompt further by adding any unique personality traits or visual styles, like inspired by Marvel lighting, or with a YouTube logo in the background. The better your prompt, the better the result in Leonardo AI. Once you're happy with it, copy the full prompt. Now, let's head to Leonardo AI and start turning this prompt into your AI YouTuber. Now that we've got our high-quality prompt from ChatGPT, it's time to bring your AI YouTuber to life using Leonardo AI, one of the best tools for generating consistent, cinematic, photorealistic characters. Step 1. Log into Leonardo AI. Go to leonardo.ai and sign in. If you don't have an account, it only takes a minute to register. Step 2. Start a new generation. Click on Image Generation from the dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. Paste your prompt. Paste the prompt you generated using ChatGPT into the prompt box. Step 4. Choose the right settings. These settings are crucial to make your AI YouTuber look cinematic and consistent. Dimensions. Choose 16:9 for YouTube compatibility. Style. Preset. Portrait perfect. Prompt magic. Turn on. Step 5. Generate your character. Hit the Generate button and wait a few seconds. Leonardo will now render several AI-generated versions of your YouTuber. You might get variations in facial features, outfits, or backgrounds, and that's okay. Scroll through and pick the version that best represents your digital creator. Look for expressions that feel alive. Confident eye contact, a natural smile, cinematic lighting. These little details help your YouTuber feel real and engaging on screen. And there you go. In just a few clicks, you've created a stunning AI YouTuber ready to star in your videos. But we're not done yet. Let's make sure this character stays consistent across different scenes and angles. Want more poses and expressions for your AI YouTuber? Here's the trick. Use Leonardo's character reference tool. Upload your favorite image of your YouTuber, then type a new scene prompt like, same character smiling, arms crossed, standing in a YouTube studio. This way, you can create an entire library of your YouTuber in different situations, all consistent, perfect for thumbnails, intros, or even animated scenes. Now, let's give your AI YouTuber a voice. Go to ElevenLabs.io. Choose from one of their realistic voice models, or clone your own voice. Upload your script or paste it in. Adjust the voice settings, clarity, stability, and style. Then click Generate Audio. You'll get a crystal clear voiceover that sounds 100% human. Download the audio. We'll animate it next. Now, let's bring your YouTuber to life. Use a tool like TopView AI. Upload the ElevenLabs voiceover, then upload your YouTuber's image. Click Generate, and the AI will lip sync the voice, animate expressions, and create a talking avatar video. And there you have it. Your AI YouTuber is ready for action. And now, to wrap things up, let's hand it over to the AI YouTuber we just created.
From image to voice to motion, all made with AI tools. ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, ElevenLabs, TopView AI. You can now create educational content, faceless videos, character shows, all automated, scalable, and original. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to AI Friend, and hit the bell so you never miss our next AI-powered tutorial. This is just the beginning.